Good morning, adventurers. We are here at Superior Municipal Forest. It is a beautiful day this morning, and we're going to be doing a day hike today. Alright, Superior Municipal Forest is just south of Superior, Wisconsin. Just off of Lake Superior, and we're in for a treat, I think. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go. So it doesn't always tell me what kind of trail it is when I pick out a trail. I just have the, dotted line on the map. So this is a snowmobile trail. So in the summer, they don't really do anything to it. So it's very overgrown. It's early morning. It's about 6:30. It's 59 degrees. So all this grass is waist high, and it's all soaking wet. I've barely started, and my shoes and my pants are soaking wet. So we'll see how this goes, I guess. Like I said, it's 59 degrees. It's a beautiful day. It's kind of overcast. Alright, so the trail I have picked out today is about 6.25 miles long, but I can tell you right now, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. This is not ideal. The first part is there's a loop at the beginning, so maybe we'll just do that loop. But then I also had something special picked out after this nearby. So we'll see how far we make it on this, and then we'll go check that out. I reached the T intersection of the first loop. I'm gonna turn around and go back because this is no fun. No fun at all. This forest is beautiful though. Of course, right here at the T intersection there's kind of a little clearing, but look at this little spruce grove, spruce and pine grove here. Awesome. But yeah, my shoes are sopping wet. My pants are soaked from the knees down. And it's cold. There are wildflowers everywhere though. Look at this. Alrighty, back here at the car. That was a bummer. I'm very wet from the knees down. But I have another spot. This is gonna be better. I promise. I'm excited to see this. It's gonna be great. Alrighty, folks. traveled about 15-20 minutes away, and I'm here at North Country Trail. I'll be hiking down about a mile and a half, and we're gonna be looking for something. Kind of a bummer. It's looking really gloomy. I checked the weather and it says in about an hour it's supposed to rain. 70% chance. Bummer. I do have my poncho. I don't know if you can hear those weird noises and stuff, but there's a railroad that goes through here, and when I pulled up and started hiking, they were setting up a bunch of machinery. Looked like they were getting ready to do a bunch of maintenance work to the rails or something, because they looked like rail cleaners or something. When I crossed the railroad tracks, I had to stop because there was a guy in a pickup truck parked sideways. Obviously worked for the railroad. So I had to stop and wait. But he had this contraption where he had these rail wheels on the front and the back of his truck that he just lowered down onto the track and then drove off onto the track. And I was like, wow, I want a pair of those. Drive around on the railroad tracks. Creek is a little dry. So I made it to the Superior Hiking Trail southern terminus. This is not what we were coming to see. Cool spot, but not what we were looking for. What I read was it was somewhere near the southern terminus, and I didn't see it coming in, so I'm gonna hike a ways past and see if I can find what we're looking for. It has started raining, which isn't that bad. It's not raining that hard, and under the forest canopy here, I can't even feel it. But I have also not found what I came to look for, and I have hiked further than I should. I keep going. But, alright. I found a log to sit on here. I'm going to take a little 2-minute breather, and then I'm going to turn around. I'm going to continue looking for what I'm looking for. I'll let you know what it is in a minute. Of course, it slowly starts raining, and I'm like, oh, not the poncho yet, not yet. And then it gets to a point where I'm like, okay, let's put on the poncho. I put on the poncho, and it stops raining. Can't win out here, you can't win. Testing out my new Wildcat shoes. Testing those out. It's the first time they've really gotten wet. So I'll let you know. I'll keep updating you over the... It's hard to say how good they are after just like one hike. You know, they're always comfortable at the beginning. Put it through the tests and everything, and I'll keep you guys updated on what I think and how they go. The La Sportiva Wildcats. Alright folks, I am just about back to the car. So, I had seen reports that there was a large patch of lady slippers, pink lady slippers, which is the Minnesota state flower. So I really wanted to see it, but fortunately I didn't get enough accurate directions, or I didn't see it. I don't know, but we'll try again some other time. There were plenty of beautiful wildflowers blooming out there, smooth roses. It was a beautiful, beautiful time. That first trail there, not recommended for hiking. It's a snowmobile skiing trail, so yeah, maybe hit that up in the winter time. But the rain stopped. It's starting to warm up. It's getting really humid. So this video is going to be a little short, but you know what? I will throw a bonus video this week. So watch out for that. Thanks everyone for joining me. And I'll see you next week right here at Happy Trail Backpacking.